Alright, this is going to be a really short video. My student is not in the truck right now. He went to Walmart. My mom's in the ICU right now. Went by ambulance last night. I'm in mid-run and this truck hits my driver's side mirror. Now look, you hit the button, nothing happens. The mirror is broke. You can also see it's shattered. That still broke from a deer. A driver, deer. That got fixed, and that was broken from a road sign. So, my truck, I don't know what it is, okay? I had the deer strike. Then there's a huge cold front that came through Texas like 2 weeks ago. I don't remember exactly now. I could look it up. But I lost my front headlight on the passenger side. Now I lost this mirror over here. That mirror over there was broken once. That mirror had gotten fixed. Now this one's broke. I wasn't even thinking about not going to work today because my mom's in the hospital. Not just the hospital, the ICU. But it's been a long day. All I know is I'm waiting for a truck to show up now because I'm not gonna go drive around with that mirror like that. I mean, I can't even see out of it, see? I mean, there's no useful information in that mirror, and I can't adjust it. It's stuck. Yeah, can I go pushing on it and whatnot? Yeah. But you know what? The mirror's broken. It's cracked. It's damaged. You can tell that's broken because the front of it's all broken out. All I need is a DOT guy to pull me over and make my day even better. So, yeah. So yeah, I'm waiting for a repower. Then I'm gonna be driving this truck back. I gotta use the bottom mirror right here. I got decent visibility out of it, not fantastic, but I'm not gonna be pulling a trailer, so I don't have to worry about trying to see 53 feet behind me, just what's directly behind my truck. So that convex mirror is big enough for that. I still do have my hood mirror. So between my hood mirror and the convex mirror, I feel comfortable enough to drive this truck back. I just don't want to be trying to do that with the trailer. As you can see, the visibility is not good with the trailer. You don't have all that visibility like you do out there because, of course, that mirror is no longer functioning. Yeah, so I'm gonna upload this one today, actually, here in just a second. I don't even have my watch on. And then, like I said, I'm gonna be going up to go see my mom. I don't know how long I'm gonna be off work. But y'all, I'm stressed out. Stressed out. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Gobble gobble. I'll catch y'all later. Take it easy.